What it do, MCTV crew? So I guess we got to talk about the Supreme Court gutting the Voting Right Act. Like, as a black man, honestly, I'm getting kind of worn out. I'm getting kind of tired of having to constantly explain this. But I'm gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna try to do it one more time. Nobody is born at zero. Nobody. Nobody's born at zero. You're born into a family. And if you're born into a family that is well off or, upper middle class, you're more likely to succeed in life. You're more likely to, go to college. You're more likely to do good in school and stuff. Like, you're just more likely to succeed. And when you're more likely to succeed, that means your offspring is more likely to succeed, which means generations and generations of you are more likely to succeed. When you're born into poverty, or you're born, the lower class, let's just be blatantly honest about it, you are less likely to succeed, which means your offspring is less likely to succeed, which means generations and generations of you are less likely to succeed. So when you have programs and institutions that are set up to help black people, I would say minorities in general, but specifically black people, it is not giving black people an unfair advantage in America. It is not tipping the playing field towards black people. If anything, and it probably falls short, but if anything, it's just trying to balance the playing field out, because there has been hundreds of years of black oppression. There's been hundreds of years of black people being held back, of black people being slaves, of black people being segregated. Hundreds of years, not 10, 20, 30 years, hundreds of years. And that, like I said, goes down from generation to generation to generation. You know what I'm saying? So these programs, these DEI programs and all this, is just made to balance the playing field. But, like I said, I'm getting tired of it. You know what I'm saying? And I believe in my people. And you know what? I'm like, go ahead, take it all away. Take it all away. So when we come out on top eventually, because we will, you don't have nothing to say about it.